Yo, what up, gang? Boo617, and welcome back to the channel. I'm in the office right now ordering a few parts for the X5M. Check what I'm doing. So we are on the Maxton design website. These are the items that I'm picking up for the X5M. Got the rear side splitters, front splitter version 1, side skirt diffusers, and the spoiler cap. So these are all coming in soon. That's the grand total. That's not bad for all that I'm getting. It is going to take like 3 to 4 months to get here. So once they do, I will be making install videos on each of these. Stay tuned.
One eternity later.
All right, here it is, guys. Boxes directly from Maxton Design. I'm a little concerned though, because looking at it is only 2 boxes. And I ordered 4 things. So I ordered front lip, the rear splitters, rear side splitters rather, the side skirts, and a wing that goes on top of the factory wing. It's almost like a lip. And there's 2 boxes. I'm just really hoping that in this bigger one, everything's in, because I'm pretty sure the 2 side skirts are in this one. And I'm pretty sure we know that the front lip should be in that one, but hopefully everything else is as well. So let's do the unboxing real quick. Let's do it. Start off with the long skinny box. So, like I said, these are the side skirts. They come wrapped in the proprietary Maxton wrap. I don't think there's anything else in here. I think it's just the side skirts. All right, yeah, let's open the other box. So, yeah, everything's here. So we got the front lip. Gonna be the big piece there. There's gonna be the spoiler that's gonna go on top. And this is the side splitters for the rear. Now, I don't know what this is. It could be hardware and instructions. Pretty cool. Take a look. What is it? Okay, some air fresheners, a pen, Maxton. It's all merch, Maxton merch. That's pretty cool. What's this? Not sure what that is. Stickers, more stickers, vinyl, and okay, like a notepad. Still don't know what this is. Oh, I think this is a little pad to. Actually, coaster, maybe? Coaster, yeah. Cool. I mean, like I said, oh, bottle opener. Oh, this is awesome. Put this right on the fridge. Yeah, some nice little merch. Thank you. Appreciate it. My next step is to take everything out of the wrappers, just to make sure that the quality is on point and that there's no damages with shipping or anything too obvious like that. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I took the rear side splitters out first just to show you, because it's a smaller piece and I could show it off better. So as you can see, it has this embossed, whatever, however you say it, with probably the serial number of the item from Maxton. What I did notice as well is that it has these indents. Has 2 indents, right? And that's where it tells you to drill. So it does come with the hardware and the instructions, right? So comes with those indents. My only thing is, I'm not sure why they would do it that way. Why not just drill it, have the holes ready to go? But hey, I don't know. That's what they. And you could tell that the holes were probably there already and they patched them up. I'm not sure. Maybe it's because this could fit on different models. I'm not sure. But anyways, so on the instructions, it does say to fit it first, put it against the car, and it comes with this film. It comes with this plastic film that it says do not take off until it's fitted for your vehicle, just to make sure. Then you drill the holes, then you take the plastic off and you install it. Which, what I'm thinking and I'm hoping is that these holes line up with existing paneling or existing hardware, some bolts and nuts and screws or whatever that's already existing in the car. I'm hoping that, because it does come with the hardware, so I'm guessing that's what it is. Once you drill the holes, they perfectly go on your vehicle. You don't have to make new holes and things like that. That's a big plus, because on my X5, the one that I had previously, I had to make the holes in the bumper, so that means I was drilling into the bumper. With this kit, it looks like it is going to be installed directly with hardware that's already pre-drilled. So that's the big plus. This is the other side of it. So it's going to sit on the side of the back bumper. Can't wait to toss these on. So I ended up buying this kit back in November 26th. Today I just received it. It is February 10th. Back then it was on back order, so I'm not sure if you go on their website right now and they might have it in stock, and then you'll get it in a couple weeks or a week or a couple days, whatever it is. But I had to wait a few months because it was on back order, and they gave me the warning. They said, before you do this purchase, just to let you know, it is on back order. And that's what happened. So I went through all the plastics. I mean, it has each one of them has the same thing as the back pieces with the little indented holes to drill. So I have to drill every single piece, and I'm hoping, like I said before, that it goes directly onto the existing hardware that I have on the car now. And that would be super clutch, because all I'm gonna have to do is drill the holes, right? Unscrew whatever hardware is on the factory bumper, and then just screw that on. And if it's a perfect fit, it's easy peasy. I don't gotta drill holes into the bumper, which I dread every time I have to do something like that for custom pieces. And I did go black. It's not carbon. Two main reasons. Reason number one, the cost. The cost was definitely a factor. It wasn't the main factor, but it was definitely a factor. For the front lip, carbon fiber would have been the price, if not more, of all those pieces that I got. You know what I'm saying? I got all those for the price of like one carbon part. Number two, I personally really do like just black trim pieces. I like the OEM look, and I know that some of these cars do come with the OEM carbon, but I just like the black. I like the black on the white. That's what I like. And I know the carbon would have looked fire too, but the back diffuser is black. The accents that I'm doing are black, so I just want to keep up with that theme with the black, and that's the reason I got the black trim pieces. I know it's gonna look fire. It's gonna look amazing. Carbon would have looked amazing as well. So either or, whatever you prefer. A lot of people go carbon. It's another reason why I'm like, let me do black, because it's very common with these cars, regardless of which M it is. It could be M3, M4, the X's. When people buy the trim pieces, it's usually carbon. And let's be different. Anyways, I'm gonna be installing these in series. So most likely I'll do, for example, a video on me installing the side skirts, me installing the wing on the top, me installing the front lip, the back pieces. I'm gonna do a series, a few videos, see how long. Maybe I'll do 2 videos in one type, so depending on how long it takes me for each. But anyways, with that said, if you have any questions, comment below. Follow me on Instagram, DJ Boo Boo 617. We out.